sometimes, no matter how hard you try, you just absolutely cannot get two pieces of paracord to fuse together. It just doesn't work. Well, in this video, I'll show you how to do it. So for this to work, you need a fid, a nice pointy object like a knotter's tool, scissors, and a lighter. And if we've not met, I'm Mark from Get Knotted Paracord, and I'm here to help you by doing tutorials on bracelets, key rings, and all things related to paracord. First of all, you need your two pieces of paracord, and you need to gut the paracord. Now, gutting is basically pulling the inside out about an inch. Then what I'm going to do, just cut the threads like this. Then pull the outside, the sheath, up like that. So you've got two pieces of paracord. You can feel the cord up here and then it goes empty up here. That's what you want. Now the next thing, you want your pointy thing, and you want to poke it right in like that. And then what I normally do with my lighter, I just try not to burn my fingers. I burn the edge like that, just a little bit. I do the same with the white. Poke down through the middle as far as I can get it, like that. Just thought it would be actually safer if I did it on the other hand, and easier as well. So all I'm doing is singeing the ends of the paracord like that, just lightly. You don't have to go too crazy. Now the other ends of the paracord, I've just fused down the ends to a little point so that I can quite easily put my fid in the end without any problems. Okay, each video you see this box. This number here is the subscribers that have subscribed to the channel. Thank you everybody for doing that. And I normally have a name at the bottom. Now if you want your name up here and I can fit it on all you have to do is leave the best comment in this week's video. Now then, here comes the fun part. Okay, what I'm going to do with my pointy tool, I'm going to poke a little hole like that into the end of the paracord. And poke it through as hard as I can, as far as I can. Just really do it on that side, and then I'm going to do it on the other side as well, trying to make this hole as big as I possibly can so that I'll be able to get my fid through easily. Perfect. Okay, this is the white end with the hole in. With my black cord, put the fid on the end like that, and then I'm going to poke. Oh, beautiful! First time, no problems. I'm going to poke the paracord through that hole. Now this does not normally happen to me. That is amazing. First time. So there you go. So all I did was poke a hole in the top of the white bit near this end that's open, make the hole as big as I can, and then poke the cord through. And what I'm going to do now is exactly the same on the other side. So I'll get my fid and poke it on the end like that already. I make a little hole. It is good to use this knotter's tool. You need something sharp, an awl on a knife if you've got one. Poke a hole through the top like that, as far as you can go. Poke your pointy end down the other side as far as you can go like that. And then poke your fid through the hole. This is perfect. I've never had this done so easily. And now all I'm going to do is pull the paracord together like that. So there you go, that is the Manny method. How to join two pieces of paracord together that don't normally work. Now it's a super strong join, it won't break, and you might think that's a bit unsightly, but don't worry, because it'll be hidden in the bracelet or keyring that you're making. No one will see it if you do a good job. So there you go. Now if you haven't already, give us a thumbs up, subscribe and ring the bell, and watch last week's video. It's a new video. None of the other paracord channels have done this one yet. It's a brand new thing by Some Paracord. He kindly let me do a tutorial on it. You really want to watch that video. So yes, keep yourself safe everyone, wash your hands, and I will see you next week. Bye.